Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new project called 10BNB. So basically what is it all about? It's a BNB miner, yeah? So, and they say you're gonna get 20% daily rewards, guys. That's crazy. Do I think this is sustainable? No way guys. So in general I don't like miners at all because your initial deposit is locked in the contract, and really just if you're lucky you can get your initial back, and if you're very lucky you can even make a profit. So first of all let me show you guys. As you can see here it says total invested 962 BNB. We will check the contract, guys, because we take care about the details. So as you can see, the contract balance is 417 BNB and not, as they say, 962. So a little bit wrong, guys, wrong. And even the highest balance ever was like 3 days ago, 607 BNB. So this is not true at all. So as of right now, as you can see, 417. So they lost. I mean, they exaggerate what they post here because it's they more than doubled the real balance, guys. Okay, so how does it work? So first of all, you invest your BNB, minimum investment 0.15 BNB, max 3 BNB, and then basically after 5 days, because you make 20% per day, you could guys, if they don't rug pull, if they don't do whatever stupid stuff, then after the 5 days you have your initial back, and then after this you could make a profit. So if this is somehow sustainable, guys, because let me show the review made of from George Stam. George Stam does good reviews, guys. Let me just show you, keep it short and simple. This is a yield farm that relies on funds invested to pay out existing users. So let me just explain you. Overall score of the project 70. There's no, nothing is making money in this contract, just new users put in their funds, okay? So it's a Ponzi scheme, a classical Ponzi scheme, guys. So for example, you invest your BNB, let's say you invest $1,000, and so you need new users coming in to get your rewards, because there's just nothing else than this. There are existing users and there are the new users, and the new users pay the existing users. Once new users stop coming in, you will not get your rewards. You will not get your initial back, you will not make any profit, and that's it, guys. So do I think it's sustainable? No way, guys, because just for example, if you invest 1K, you need at least 10 people coming in after you and every one of them has to invest $100. Then you could get your initial back. So this is not sustainable at all, guys. 20% per day. Yeah, your money is locked in the contract, and if you're lucky you could get it back. So guys, as always, I'm not a financial advisor, but would I invest in this? Hell no. I would not invest in it because it's like gambling. It's just gambling, guys. And just if you're very lucky, you have enough people coming in after you and you get your initial back, or maybe you could make a profit. But guys, to be honest, don't do it. I mean, I would not recommend any friend of mine to invest in this because it's just a Ponzi and the daily ROI is too high and it's not sustainable at all. They would have to invest so much money in marketing that there are always new users coming in, keep coming in, and yeah, guys, that's it. So and don't invest if you still have the idea to invest in it. Don't use any amount of money that, if it would be gone, would make you completely crazy and you don't know what to do, guys. Okay, so yes, guys, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest your own money. And yes, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.